Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the bulk of the showers are gone, but the air still feels wet. A lot of humidity, moisture floating around, and that's promoting some fog, at least along the coastline. You take a look at Newport, the Newport Pell Bridge in the background. At least you can barely see it, and the pearl of lights in the distance. So we'll keep fog in the forecast, especially along the coast tonight through early tomorrow morning as the moisture levels continue to be on the high side. Visibility in Newport now at 2. Most areas, though, it's not too thick, but a little bit of fog even across the inland spots at this hour. High temps today as expected, not quite as warm as yesterday, though it was certainly more humid. Most areas topping out in the upper 70s, and we're thinking upper 70s to around 80 tomorrow afternoon. A lot of clouds, but I do think by around mid to late day, some breaks of partial sun coming through the cloud cover. Bottom line, your Wednesday is drier. Temperatures now are in the upper 60s to around 70 in Providence, westerly 72, Newport at 70, and New Bedford coming in at 68 degrees. Smithfield at 70 with a high dew point at 68 just indicates all that moisture that's still in the air. So a few showers overnight tonight, but the bulk of the rain is gone. As we mentioned earlier, the heaviest rain was clearly confined to the immediate south shore today. Drier weather for Wednesday, but the clouds will be more stubborn, starting off with a lot of clouds during the morning. I think any breaks of sun would be partial, but some breaks of it mid to late afternoon. Temperatures close to 80. No heat next several days. We're looking at daytime highs essentially lower 80s and nighttime temperatures in the 60s. Still a lot of clouds around on the satellite and radar composite. The last of the rain pulling away from Nantucket. In fact, Nantucket was the only place today that had a flood warning. A lot of rain out on the island, but inland spots. In fact, at the airport in Warwick, it was about 1/10 of an inch of rain, while Charlestown, Rhode Island and Westerly had anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So it was very location dependent today, and the bulk of that precipitation is now pulling offshore. There's one more thin little band of showers through the Hudson Valley of New York. A couple of these may sneak through during the overnight, but the bulk of this moisture will be pulling away by tomorrow morning, and things will improve as far as drier air settling in. So the last of the showers along the lower Cape and Islands moving out. We start off with a lot of clouds tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. Some patchy fog, temperatures in the upper 60s, still humid. And then during the afternoon hours, notice upper 70s to low 80s. And you don't get to that temperature unless you have a little bit of sun kind of sneaking through the cloud cover. By 6 o'clock in the evening, looking at temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80. You saw some showers off to our west. That activity staying in Connecticut tomorrow afternoon. So for tomorrow morning, cloudy skies and humid. Temperatures starting off in the upper 60s. And then during the afternoon, some partial sunshine through the cloud cover, and that should boost temperatures to the upper 70s to around 80. Beaches, no doubt clouds and fog in the morning. Any sun would be limited to mid to late afternoon tomorrow. 7-day forecast, brighter both Thursday and Friday, comfortable temperatures, and the weekend still looking good, seasonably warm, daytime highs in the low 80s and nighttime temperatures in the 60s with a mix of clouds and sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. Slow start tomorrow as far as sunshine, a little bit sneaking through the cloud cover by later tomorrow afternoon, but a drier day.
Did your mother make you a birthday cake for today? It's Anthony's birthday today.
Anthony's birthday.
It's no small one today, but a bigger one on Sunday.
Oh,
Two
nice.
birthday
It's a
cakes.
palooza.
I'm sure there's macaroni thrown in there too, right?
Thank you.